bonsoir tout le monde. Comment nous est-ce que nous formation bien? C'est Cassandra qui m'a calé à soir. Je dis à moi avec nous de faire une petite vidéo pour nous qui c'est très challenge. Un challenge que les gars moi, t'as pour bon quelques danses pour me faire. La galère pour moi c'est un café dans américain au moins moi c'est longtemps c'est vous mais pas café dessus. Chez moi mais pas faire dessus, pas faire dessus. So guys, so déjà abonné à la chaîne là, on vous remercie et même qui vous abonner à la chaîne là, faites ça pour nous s'il te plaît, nous sommes très contents et puis même de partager live, attendez me dire live, me faire trop live, de partager vidéo ça pour moi. Merci beaucoup avec chaque grain monde en particulier, ces amis nous Cassandra. Continuez à regarder, nous allons voir comment que on peut faire de ça. Which one? Which one?
Today?
Bon, comment ça fait premier danse là? Qui premier danse là, Richard?
Disco dive.
Okay, how you doing?
I'm supposed to do it first.
Okay, I'm trying. Okay, do it. Okay. Right?
Yeah.
And then what?
No.
Oh, left. Left.
Then do that. Then disco.
Like this?
Yeah, you got that one good.
I got this one. I got this one. Okay, which one?
But do the tidy.
I can't do this one. I can do that one. Okay, next.
Infinite dab.
I got it? And what else? You can go on the reel. How you call that?
A floss. Not a floss.
What is that? Okay.
No.
What? I got it.
No? She didn't make it, guys.
I got it.
No,
Like
you
this.
didn't.
Oh, I got the bottle.
So, guys, if she can't make this one, we're doing the one she cannot do. The orange justice.
Okay. Oh, Bacafé, orange justice.
How much is it? That's enough.
Okay, so Bacafé, that's the pan.
Height.
I love it.
That's the shoe or the height.
Ah, that's it. So you have to put your.
You can't hop. She can't do it this one, guys. She can't do it. Stop.
Petite main, je suis dans la garde de la bruit.
We're doing a workout. This is the.
No, Isha. No, Isha.
This is what you show.
That's not dab.
No.
Wait, maka dab.
So far, she got one. Are we doing a challenge or not? She bet Zeno sa.
I do this.
The roller. wait. This, not that. This.
Regardez moi, ouais.
I won that one. She can't do it. She's just doing her own dance. She already lost all of them. Now we're the pony. We're doing the pony. What are you doing?
I'm doing the pony, boy.
That's bad. Let's show them the TV. Let's show them the TV, what we're talking about. Guys, she lost all the rounds.
Li di m'perdi, but moi-même, I want to do my own thing. Boy.
She sucks at this. But she kind of did good on the infinite zap. So it's one that she had. Right, guys? Leave a thumbs up if you want to see Cassandra do a punishment at the end. Because she couldn't do all the challenge. She has to do a punishment. Ooh, the L dance. Guys, let me explain you the L dance. The L dance is mean that you're a loser. So only do that when someone do it. You're a loser.
You're a loser. You're a loser. Sorry guys, c'est tout ça que je pour nous aujourd'hui. I hope you have fun watching this video. Je souhaite pour un plaisir pour regarder la vidéo ça. Merci beaucoup avec chaque film que tu as regardé. Et
But Cassandra get a punishment at the end.
Team Cassandra, si me fait bien.
You see, that's what we're gonna do.
Commentez Team Cassandra, si me fait bien.
Look, Cassandra. That's what I was gonna
No,
do.
I don't want that. Okay guys, merci beaucoup à chaque monde.
Bye guys. Welcome.
Cassandra.
These are Fortnite dances.
Woo.
And the game is also called Fortnite.